In the last video, you opened the record and learned its layout. Now we look at lists. They sit alongside your objects and hold a slice of records you want to track separately. A list is a group of records you have pulled together for one purpose: a pipeline, a campaign, a cohort, the same companies and people you already have gathered into a focused view. You find lists in the left sidebar under your objects. Objects are types of things: people, companies, deals. Lists are jobs you do with those things. Take one person. They live in the people object once, but they can sit in 3 lists at the same time: your Q3 outreach, your event invite, your customer advisory board. Without lists, you would have to add a status field on people for every process you run. The object fills up with fields half your team doesn't care about. Lists fix that. They keep the object clean and let each team run its own process on the records they need. To create one, click the plus new list in the sidebar. There are pre-built templates you can use. The name of the object in the list name template refers to what object this list will be created based on. Let's create from scratch. Pick what kind of records it holds: people, companies, or deals. If you have a custom object, you can choose them too. Create a list. Now, you need to create a view, table view, or common view and give the name of this view. Now, add records. You can add directly from the list. Click on Add Person or go to the People object, choose the person that you want to add to list and add to list. Choose the list and add to list. You can add people from object in bulk. A record removed from a list stays in your workspace. List doesn't own records, they reference them. This is the part that makes list powerful. Every list has its own attributes. They live only inside that list. Say you've got a list called Outreach. Add an attribute with the status type and called Outreach Stage. That stage shows up in every entry in this list and nowhere else. Create attribute. Open the same person and people object, and you won't see Outreach Stage on the object level. Open them inside in a list, and you will see this attribute. The object stays clean. Each list holds the fields its process needs. You can filter the people object by list entry. Click on the filter, write List Entries Contains, and choose your list, and you will see all the records that are in this list. That's lists, a flexible layer that runs your processes without crowding your objects. Next video, we cover notes, emails, tasks, and calls, how to log work on a record, assign it, and keep the activity timeline alive. We're Craftt, and we help teams turn Attio into something they actually use. Link in the description to book a free audit.